Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS virtual camera no sound. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on File and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration window where you can adjust various OBS features. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Audio to access all the sound-related options. This section controls how OBS handles your audio inputs and outputs, which is crucial for getting your virtual camera audio working properly. Now, scroll down through the audio settings until you find the Advanced section. This is where the more technical audio configurations are located. Below the Advanced section, you'll see an option called Monitoring Device. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your preferred audio output device. If you're not sure which one to choose, you can simply use default and that should work for most setups. Once you've selected your monitoring device, navigate to the bottom right of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window. This ensures all your configurations are properly saved. If your virtual camera still doesn't have sound after this, don't worry. Navigate to the audio mixer section, which you'll find in the main OBS interface. Below the audio mixer panel, click the gear icon. This opens up advanced audio properties where you can fine-tune each audio source individually. If you are using mic/aux as your audio source, navigate to the mic/aux row in the advanced audio properties. Click the drop-down menu under audio monitoring and select monitor and output. This setting allows OBS to both monitor and send your microphone audio through the virtual camera. If you are using desktop audio instead, navigate to the desktop audio row. Click the drop-down menu under audio monitoring and select monitor and output just like before. This ensures your system sounds are captured and transmitted through the virtual camera. After making these selections, click Close to save all your changes. Before you test everything, there's one more important thing to check. Make sure that in your audio mixer, none of your audio sources are muted. Specifically verify that desktop audio, mic/aux, and any other audio sources you're using don't have the mute icon active. Sometimes the solution is as simple as unmuting a channel that was accidentally silenced. And that's it. Your OBS virtual camera should now have sound working properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.